Welcome to our assembly video. Today, we'll be showing you how to assemble our 8ADP16S from the Z-axis and movement mechanism. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools: Phillips screwdriver for M1.5, hex key, Phillips screwdriver for M2.5, and small pliers. Let's start with sorting the 8 pieces Z-axis. Next, we need to remove the shield plate of movement mechanism. Now, let's remove all the adapter plates. Attach all the adapter plates to the movement mechanism. Remove the pressing line plate of ADP16 using a Phillips screwdriver. Finally, connect the SADP16 to the SADP Z-axis cable, and put the pressing line plate of SADP16 back. Thanks for watching, and happy using.